Hi, good afternoon everyone. I am Sivakami Priya, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. Today we are going to talk about the derivation tree in theory of computation. Okay, derivation tree, it is nothing but we can give the some statement, we can derive the statement like tree representation, that is called derivation tree. The derivation tree is a fundamental concept of in theory of it is the main fundamental concept in TOC. Okay, it is illustrate the process of generating strings from the grammar and grammar rules. It will provide the visual representation of synthetic, synaptic structure and production processing. That is called derivation tree. Next one, helping to understand the relationship between grammar and language generation. Okay, the next one, there are introduction to derivation trees. There are three kinds of derivation trees. The first one, definition and definition of derivation trees. Okay, first one, definition. The derivation tree, it is a representation like a tree. Okay, that is called that shows the applications of production rules in a grammar to generate strings in a formal language. That is called full explanation of a derivation. The next one, importance in TOC. Derivation trees are crucial in understanding how grammars generate languages, aiding and parsing, syntax analysis in compiler design, pattern matching, etc. etc. Okay, these are called importance in TOC. Relation to past trees. The tree also called as a parse tree. Okay, while derivation trees, whenever we are derive the statement like tree representation, it is focused on a production sequences. Okay, that is called relation. Okay, next one, components of the derivation tree. There are three components of the derivation tree. The first one, nodes and edges. The second one, leaves and nodes. The third one, internal nodes. These three are components of derivation trees. The first one, each node represents grammar and grammar symbol, then production rules. Okay, I will repeat it again. Uh, each and every node represented in grammar symbol, which edges signify the production rules. The second one, leaf nodes, corresponded to terminal symbols of the generated string, representing the final output. Internal nodes indicate non-terminal symbol and their production rules, showing intermediate steps. Okay, next one, types of derivation trees. There are three kinds of derivation trees are there. The first one is a leftmost derivation tree, rightmost derivation trees, and ambiguity in derivation trees. Okay, these three kinds of derivation trees are there. The first one, leftmost derivation tree, it is nothing but if leftmost non-terminal is always expanded first. Whenever we are giving the statement like a tree representation, there are two types for right and left. Leftmost derivation means the first left only derive the non-terminal steps expanded first. That is called leftmost derivation. This technique is a very useful generating string specific order. It is often used in the predictive parsing methods. The next one, rightmost derivation trees. Conversely, rightmost derivation tree expand in the rightmost non-terminal first. That is called difference between left and rightmost. Okay, next one, ambiguity derivation trees. A grammar is deemed ambiguous is more than one derivation in a single string. Ambiguous grammar complicate parsing and interpretation requiring techniques. Okay. The next one is applications of derivation tree. Application derivation trees is nothing but there are three types of applications are there. The first one is syntax analysis in compilers. The second one is natural language processing, that is called NLP, formal languages theory. Okay, these are three types of applications are derivation trees. Derivation trees is a play vital role in the syntax analysis interface of compiler, helping validate source code and structure according to the grammar. The next one, natural language processing. Natural language processing is nothing but derivation tree assist in parsing sentences, understanding the grammatical structures. Okay, the third one is formal language theory. In theoretical computer science, derivation trees help classify the formal languages and develop algorithms for language properties. Okay, thank you all.